That's a working app, not a video, not a mock-up, a working app I built by typing one paragraph into a chat box. This is Claude Design. It's new, it's by Anthropic, and it's the first AI design tool I've used that actually does what it claims. I tested 5 builds for a fake startup called Pulse. Each one took 1 to 3 minutes. Here's what happened. I uploaded a one-pager about Pulse and asked for a 10-slide seed deck. About 2 minutes later, I had a deck I'd actually show an investor. Problem, solution, market, traction, team, all there. The interesting part is editing. I left a comment on a slide, and Claude generated a custom slider, one specifically for adjusting the spacing on that slide. Not a generic slider, one it built for that exact moment. Build 2, a waitlist landing page. Hero, feature blocks, testimonials, sign-up form. One prompt. Watch what I'm asking for. A hero section. That's the big banner at the top of a website with the main headline and image. 3 feature blocks. Short sections explaining what Pulse does. 2 testimonials, quotes from fake happy customers, and a sign-up form for the waitlist. That's the entire page, described in one sentence. Then we wait for Claude Design to do its magic. The page works. Buttons respond, it's responsive, the spacing is sane. It's not a placeholder, it's a page I could ship today and iterate on tomorrow. Build 3 is the one that made me sit back from my screen. I asked Claude to build a clickable post dashboard. Tap a plus button, get a check-in flow, sliders for energy and focus, a mood emoji, a submit button, and have the dashboard chart update with the new data point. Take a look. At the top, the team dashboard. A line chart showing energy levels across the week, with each team member's average plotted out. To the right, a quick stats panel, average mood, check-in rate, today's score. And in the bottom corner, that plus button I asked for. The whole thing styled like a real product, not a wireframe, not a screenshot. Tap the plus. Drag the energy slider. Drag the focus slider. Pick a mood, submit. And the chart updated with the new data point, live. I'm not exaggerating when I say this used to be a week of work. Mock-ups, then a designer prototyping in Figma, then a developer building a fake backend just so the chart would update for a user test. I did it in one prompt in about 3 minutes. Build 4, a wireframe for a settings page. Claude asked me a few clarifying questions. Platform, fidelity, how many variations, and then sketched it out. Low fidelity, black and white. The kind of thing you'd hand to a designer or, in this case, hand straight to Claude Code to build. And in less than a minute, I had a ready-to-use wireframe project. Look at what's actually here. A notification preferences section, a daily check-in time picker, team visibility toggles, and account settings. Every section labeled, every input in the right place. Nothing fancy, no colors, no fonts to argue about, just the bones of the page, exactly where they need to be. This is the part of the design process that usually takes a kickoff meeting, a Figma file, and a designer's afternoon. I got it from one prompt and 4 answers. Build 5, a full launch kit. One pager, Twitter graphic, LinkedIn graphic, email header, all in one prompt, all matching. Because by this point, Claude already knew what posts looked like. Now, what it can't do yet. There's no native video export, so you can't pull animations out as a file. Inline comments occasionally drop, and large code bases lag the import. It's a research preview. Expect rough edges. But the core thing, going from a paragraph to a working interface, that's solid. If you're a founder or a PM and you've been outsourcing design work because you don't know Figma, you don't have to anymore. Claude Design is free with Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise. The link's in the description. Go build something.